In front of me is OUKITEL WP50 and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to Heat System. Then tap on Gestures. Select one-handed mode and use this switcher to activate it. Then make sure that Pause Screen into Reach is on and pull your screen down by swiping down from the bottom of it. As you can see, one-handed mode is working properly. To go back, click on this area at the top or swipe up. To disable one-handed mode, use the same switcher. If you are using Tricky's navigation though, instead of gestures, you need to tap on one-handed mode, scroll all the way down and use this switcher instead, next to one-handed mode shortcut. Hit Got it, and to enter one-handed mode, tap on the shortcut. You can exit it by swiping up, clicking on this area or tapping on the shortcut again. To disable one-handed mode completely, use the same switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!